Now that you have some channels created, it's time to create some groups to enforce user role definitions. To create a group, select Groups from the left-hand menu under Settings and click Create a new group. Enter a group name with an optional description, complete the translations if required, and save changes. Configure your group's permission assignment with the levels of Reader, Author, Editor, or Administrator. Navigate back to Configure Channel Assignment. Configure which channels you need to make available for writing to and reading from, which channels will be assigned by default, and which need to be mandatory. Lastly, navigate back if you wish to configure explicit keywords for the group, making certain keywords available, setting them as default and/or mandatory. Click Save, and you have now created and configured groups for your channels.